Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. Well, I am Preeti Singh over here. I have done BCom. Today, my topic is water. Water is very important for our life, and without water, there is no life. Water is colorless, tasteless, and odorless liquid. Rain, river, lake, and ground water are the main source of water, and we use water in many purpose like drinking, cooking food, clean our home, take bath, etc. Water is used for growing plants, tree, and for farming also. Water is also used for generating electricity, and water is also used for industries for the development. And water is very necessary for all living thing on earth. So please don't waste water. Please save water. I request for everyone. Thank you so much.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. It's me, Sumit. Today's my topic is time. So I explain you what is time. Time is familiar to everyone, yet it's hard to define and understand. Science, philosophy, religion, and the arts have definition of time, but the system of measuring of it is relatively consistent. Clock are based on seconds, minutes, and hour. Well, the business of units has changed throughout history. They trace their roots back to an ancient era. The modern international unit of time is second. The second is defined by electronic transition of the cesium atom. So I define you by the scientific definition. Physicists defined time is the progression of events from the past to the present into the future. Basically, if it is a system of unchanging, it is timeless. Time can considered to be a four-dimensional reality used to describe in three-dimensional space. It is not something we can taste, touch, or see. So I will finish. Thank you for your support. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. It's Suzanne Firoz over here. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself and also introduce my topic. So today my topic is alcohol. It is no secret that alcohol is damaging to our health, but you may surprised to know how much it can affect in your body and mind. Here are some reasons that not to use alcohol. Alcohol may lead to weight gain. Alcohol increases the risk of developing cancer. Alcohol increases depression and anxiety. Alcohol can disrupt normal sleeping pattern. That's all. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. It's Deepa Deshmukh over here. My topic is motherland, India. India is the 7th largest country in the world. India has second population in the world. India is known as Bharat, Hindustan, Aryavart. There are many languages in India like Sanskrit, Marathi, Hindi, English, Bengali, Gujarati, but Hindi is the national language of India. New Delhi city is the capital of India. India has 20 states and 9 union territories. Jana Gana Mana is the national anthem of India. It is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Tiger is the national animal of India. Thank you.
I am Mehndi Hassan over here. Today I am going to discuss about water. Water is such an important compound our life. Water is one of the best gift gifted by God. Water is very essential for our life. Without water we cannot survive in my life. Water is the second most important things after oxygen. Water is found in three states like solid, liquid and gas. And water found in abundance on earth, but only 1% water is used for drinking. That is known as potable water. And more than 20% water is found in impure form, that is used to generate electricity and industry. Water is very useful to plant, they help to grow, and water is help us to like digestion and circulation and respiration and etc. It helps to grow our body, and water is base of life, and so we can say that without water we cannot survive in my life. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. Well, I am Shruti over here. Today my topic is education. So listen to me carefully. Education is the most important part of our life. It brings a great change of our life. It's a continuous and long life process. It is a foundation of the human development. Without education, we cannot achieve our success. Education enhance confidence within us. Education is the most important both man and human. Education, we should get education for bright tomorrow. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. It is Rupa Deshmukh over here. Today's topic is water. Earth is only one plant in this universe where life is possible because of the water and oxygen. Water is very important in our life, not for our life, it's important in animals, plants and all living things. Water's formula is H2O. It's H2O. It's 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Joined and then complete this formula. H2O is hydrogen dioxide, and water is 71% water is in our earth, 97% water is soiled and seawater, only 3% water is fresh water. Water many useful, they use our agricultural, industrial, homehood needs, and daily use using water. It's washing, cooking, drinking and gardening. And water body are, it's colorless, tasteless, transparent and inorganic chemical substance. Thank you so much.
Good evening one and all, it's Aisha Khan over here. Today my topic is India. Listen to me carefully. I love my India, I love my country. India is a big country. Thank you so much.